evening everyone. Let's start today's mindfulness session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunattu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganapati Moola Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Shri Dakshinamurti Prarthana. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना. नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sangatchatvam Sangatatvam Sambho Manasi Janatam Deva Sanjana upasate samano mantra samiti samani samanam manasah chittamesham samanam mantram abhimantrayevah samanena voha vishajuhomi samani vaakuti samana hridayani vaha samanamastu manah yatha vastu sahasati. Panchangam. अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनम् हेमंत ऋतुः पौषमासः शुक्लपक्षः चतुर्थी तिथिः धनिष्ठा नक्षत्रम् हर्षणयोगः भद्रकरणं सौम्यवासरः. Today's date 24th December 2025 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्रात्तरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Let us see the 24th shloka of this Bhagavad Gita contemplation. Sanjaya Uvacha Eva Mukto Rishikeshaha Gudakeshena Bharata Eva Mukto Rishikesho Gudakeshena Bharata Senayorubhayormadhye Sthapayitva rathottamam Senayorubhayormadhye Sthapayitva rathottamam Now all together. Sanjaya Uvacha Eva Mukto Rishikeshaha Gudakeshena Bharata Senayorubhayormadhye Sthapayitva rathottamam Eva Mukto Rishikeshaha Gudakeshena Bharata Senayorubhayormadhye Sthapayitva rathottamam. Quickly we will see the gist of this. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayamamrutam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Namo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamashriye. Respected Chancellor Sir, dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So we are seeing how Arjuna is getting into trouble and how Arjuna is getting into that melancholy. So he wanted to see how many people are gathered here who are all ready to fight with me and who are all ready to die for me and who are all ready to support the Dushta Buddhi of Duryodhana. That is what we saw in the previous sloka. Dhartarashtrasya Durbuddhehe Yuddhehe Priyachikirshavaha. ಯುದ್ಧವನ್ನು ಬಯಸಿ ಬಂದವರು ದುರ್ಯೋಧನನಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಡಿಯಲು ಬಂದವರು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೈ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ ವಿಚ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ನೌ ಸಂಜಯ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂದ್ರಪ್ರಸ್ಥ ಟು ಧೃತರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ because the whole conversation is from Sanjaya and Dhritarashtra here. Evam uktaha Rishikeshaha Gudakeshena Bharata Senayoho Ubhayoho Madhye Sthapayitva Rathottamam. Evam uktaha hige helida. By giving this kind of updates, Rishikeshaha Krishna, one who is the leader of all the senses, Gudakeshena Bharata, he listened to the Arjuna's words. Arjuna is given here as Gudakesha, the adjective. You should know the meaning. Why he is called as Gudakesha? Gudaka Isha. This is very important word. Gudaka Isha. ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಆದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಶಬ್ದನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡಾಕೇಶ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಗುಡಾಕ ಈಶ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆಗನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪದ ಇದೆ, ಬೆಲ್ಲದೂಗೋದು ಅಂತ. ಬೆಲ್ಲದೂಗೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೂಕುಡಿಸೋದು ಅಂತ. ಗುಡಾಕ ಈಶ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. That is only an adjective for Arjuna. because Arjuna has spent many sleepless nights with Dronacharya to learn archery, to perfect the archery. That is the word Gudakesha. ಬೆಲ್ಲದೂಗೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಕುಡಿಸೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಗುಡಾಕ ಈಶ, ಬೆಲ್ಲದೂಗುವುದು ಅಂತ. So that is why Gudakesha has come from that word. So Gudakeshena Bharata. Gudakesha is an adjective for Arjuna. So Sanjaya is updating to Dhritarashtra. Krishna brought the chariot in between the two armies. Senayoho, Ubhayoho, Madhye. In between two chariot, in between two armies, Sthapayitva, Rathottamam. ರಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮನಾದವನು ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ, ರಥೋತ್ತಮ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ರಥವನ್ನ ಸಾರಥ್ಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವವ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾರಥಿ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಡ್ರೈವರ್. ಅರ್ಜುನ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓನರ್. ಓನರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಗಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಹಂಕಾರ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ Arjuna is ordering Krishna to take the chariot in between the two armies. Now Krishna knows where to take the army, in front of whom. By bringing the armies in front of those people, what makes Arjuna to go still further down mentally, those are the people in front of whom Krishna is going to take the chariot. That shloka we will see tomorrow. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste.
Esteemed friends, today is 24th. Already I delayed by 3 days. 21st Incofera came to a close. 22nd, 23rd, today is 24th. I should not have delayed because my appreciation is up to the brim. Apples and oranges cannot be compared. Orange is orange, apple is apple. Comparison is between similarities. One orange may be compared with another orange. One apple may be compared with another apple. Similarly, one Incofera can be comparable to another Incofera. This is the 26th. Earlier I attended many. This year's Incofera is remarkably supreme. Wonderfully admirable. Why? The participation, wholehearted participation of the students is immense. The first credit goes to the students. Then you ask, how do you say so? People did not go away from the halls. They were sitting with patience, with admiration. Earlier in Incofera, students were not coming. This year in Incofera, the involvement of the students is immense. Point number 1. 2. Every Incofera, Ramachandra Bhatt ji has been composing a beautiful poem. It was most prosaically rendered by somebody. This year, one lady came forward, Ramya Didi, and she composed, tuned it, sang it excellently well. First difference. Second, every year, every Incofera we had stalls. All the stalls were vacant. Nobody ever visited the stalls. I was surprised, all the stalls were always busy. Especially the students' stalls were overcrowded. That is something remarkable. And the third one, punctuality is something unknown in our Prashanti. But during Incofera, to 95% we were punctual. That is something very, very remarkably presented. and we find motivated students, forced students, compelled students, reluctantly working students, but this year, wholeheartedly, with all involvement, highly motivated was the student community. I congratulate the students on their wonderful behavior this year. Therefore, in the 27th Incofera, next time when we conduct the Incofera, whatever deficiencies we have should be overcome. Decentralization of duty, excellent teamwork, division of labor were very much perceptible this time. Let us try to keep up. Let us try to maintain the dignity of the university. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Before continue some more appreciation, today we have a guest, distinguished guest with us. I'm very proud to introduce him to all of you. Shri Dr. Anand Agarwal ji, sir, please come. Sir is head of the department CTDS from Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Sciences, Muddenhalli. Sir has done his MBBS, FRCS, MCS, FRCS again. Sir is having 20 years of experience in cardiothoracic and vascular surgery. Welcome you, sir. Dr. Amilan, he is a part of our cardio rehabilitation program. He is here. I request the Honorable Guruji and dignitaries to honor him. Congratulations to all of you. Not only because we have taken the appreciation from Honorable Chancellor, sir. I congratulate all of you because we have taken the appreciation from third party, the objective appreciation also. I would like to show you now. We have received many hundreds of feedbacks praising us. Just have taken randomly. The event was really a great experience, very well coordinated by the volunteers. I was amazed by their seamless coordination across various committees. The students made sure no one was left unattended. I congratulate you and your entire team for successfully doing such a big event. We are also having the feedback from big people from out of the country, America, etc. Thank you so much for the wonderful arrangement for the conference. Your commitment and dedicated efforts were adorable. Reached back home with great memories of the program. This shows that our volunteers and faculty not only given their time, they have also given their hearts to conference. We are not going to pay anything for volunteers because they are worthless, because they are priceless. So we have this event also in the DD Sanskrit also. Please show, Murali.
बेंगलुरु नगरस्थेन एस व्यासा इत्याख्येन स्वामी विवेकानंद योगानुसंधान संस्थानेन अनतिचिरम् एव षड्विंशतितमस्य फ्रंटियर्स इन योग रिसर्च एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशंस इत्याख्यस्य अन्ताराष्ट्रीय योग सम्मेलनस्य आयोजनं कृतम्। सम्मेलनस्य एतस्य विषयः आसीत् पुनरुज्जीवनार्थं चिकित्सा क्षेत्रे योगः इति। अस्मिन् अन्ताराष्ट्रीय सम्मेलने भारतस्य विभिन्नेभ्यः भागेभ्यः अथ 26 देशेभ्यः प्रायः 700 प्रतिनिधयः भागम् अभजन्त। सम्मेलनस्य प्रतिसन्ध्यं सांस्कृतिककार्यक्रमाः अपि तत्र आयोजितं गताः, यत्र भारतस्य समृद्धकलायाः आध्यात्मिकपरम्परायाः च प्रदर्शनमासीत्। सम्मेलने योगायुर्वेद प्राकृतिकचिकित्साधृताः विभिन्नाः प्रदर्शिन्यः अपि स्थापिताः आसन्। सम्मेलनमिदं योगं पुनरुज्जीवनाय चिकित्सारूपेण संस्थापयितुं महत्त्वपूर्णं स्थानं वहति। अयं प्रयासः आधुनिकचिकित्सा भारतीयज्ञानपरम्परयोः सेतुः इव विद्यते। एतस्मिन् सन्दर्भे पद्मश्री पुरस्कार सभाजितः डॉक्टर एस.एच.आर. नागेन्द्रवर्यः अथ IIT मण्डी इत्येतस्याः संस्थायाः निदेशकः प्रोफेसर लक्ष्मीधर बेहरावर्यः स्वकं कथ्यं प्रकाशितवन्तः।
We had morning homas which brings about the dimensions of Puramimamsa, and we had Ganpati Homa, Navagraha Homa, then Aisha Homa, Dhanvantari Homa, and Mrityunjaya Homa, in which hundreds of people participated to enjoy the wonderful Vedic recitation. And we had poster presentations, we had top experts with the panel discussions and keynote addresses and all dimensions of that. And in the evening we had a wonderful cultural program which enchanted the people with such wonderful cultural grandeur.
It is a gathering of very seasoned researchers who have come to deliberate on this foundational topic. How can we take the Indian value system, Indian science, which are there in our literature in the form of Bhagavad Gita and allied literature, like the Yoga Shastra by Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and bring it to science. Science of consciousness, science of mind, brain and consciousness together. They will lead us to create a better world.
Let's have a glimpse of our conference. gesture, the management is arranging a small get-together, 3 p.m. at Samskriti Bhavan. I request all committee heads to invite our celebrities, that is volunteers, to all that, for that get-together, 3 p.m. and all faculty who have worked hard for this event. Thank you. I request our honorable guest to hoist the flag after the Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashyit dukha